Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. If you are looking for an easy and professional way to create presentation videos, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how AI can create the presenter video or generate stunning and engaging presentation videos with minimal effort. This game changer is for anyone looking to save time and boost their content creation quality. You will see how the process works step by step as I share my screen and guide you through the tool. AI presenters are fantastic because they are lifelike, customizable, and can deliver your message with clarity and professionalism. Whether you are creating content for business or for education or for social media, this tool has you covered. I'll also show you how to add your scripts, customize the presenter, and enhance your presentation with standout visuals. It's super simple and you will be amazed at the result. So let's see on the screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to the screen again. So thank you very much for watching this video. So let me show you how you can generate videos for your presentation, for your anything, okay? Like a spokesperson, you want to promote your company as a spokesperson, and also you need to generate a green screen video so that you can put your own background in your video description or in your video background, okay? So let me show you how you can generate video with AI, okay? Just using AI, you can use voiceover, you can use voiceover artist also, video artist, each and everything you can do. Let me show you one by one. So here is the screen. First of all, you need to go to the website like me. You can find it from Google by clicking or by typing HeyGen, okay? If you in Google and type HeyGen, then you can see here is the HeyGen website. You need to enter this website like me. After that, you can get free option. You can see get started for free. First of all, I will start with free, and you can see here is the email option. I will continue with my Google account. Let me click on it. Google. Again, click on Google or select your email, then continue. Now you can see it is redirecting to the website dashboard. Now you can see here is the exception or terms of condition. I click on accept. Here is the dashboard. You can see I will use this website. You can see they are trying to show me a plan for using this site, but I will continue with free. Choose free, click on free, and then click on something, next step. Okay, just me. After that, go next, submit. Okay, now I can generate any kind of videos with professional spokesperson or spoke artist. You can see here is the avatar, and if I go to the avatar option, then you can see lots of avatars are already there, and there is a paid version also and there is a free version also. And you can see they all are avatar here. You can see you can use, and if you want, then you can see their trial version also, or you can see how they are working. If I click on it, now you can see the voiceover artist. You can use him for 4 times with 4 clothes, okay? You can see here is the one dress, here is the one dress, here is the one dress, okay? You cannot change any kind of dress here, but if you click on this, here is the looks, or if you see voice, you can see there is no voice already there. We can select the voice, okay? Here you can see, here is the demo video for him. You can see if I click on here, you can see he will talk like this in AI, okay? And if I show you with this, here you can see he's typing or he is voicing with like this, okay? Now let me show you how you can create your own video with this tool for your presentation or any kind of information or any kind of presenter, okay? So first of all, you need to click on create video option, and here you can see the 2 option here, avatar video, video translation. We will create avatar video because we don't have any kind of presentation or presenter, okay? Click on avatar video. Now select the size, landscape or portrait in mobile mode or YouTube mode. I'm creating the landscape I have created, and also I clicked on this. Now I need to select the avatar, okay? Will be avatar. If you click on professional, they have lots of here. Let me click on Nick expressive, okay? I will click on it, and you can see he is already added here. And if I show you, here is this, and if you go to the photo avatar, you can also create your video with photo avatar. Just photo will talk. Okay, if I'm going to avatar again, or you can create your own avatar also, and this will be the paid version, okay? Now if I show you one by one avatar here you can see. Now I'm clicking on this. I want to make this video. Here you can see I want to make this with sofa. Just click on create with AI Studio and click on landscape or any kind of size that you want. Now you need to add here your own script. Okay, if you click on the script option here, you can see in the script option in the bottom, just click on the script, and here you can see all the script is here. So you can use ChatGPT by creating the script. I copied this, and let me go to the option. Here you can see I pasted here. Okay, now you can see my already script is here. You can see here is the language option also. Here is the language is animated ME. Okay, if you click on this my voice option, then you can also add your own voice. Okay, and if you go to the HeyGen library, then you can see lots of voice are already there, and you can check one by one what is the voice over and how they working. Let me again click on it, and how their voice are. So you can see here is the excited and other moment, others option here. You can click on it, or you can check whatever you want. Okay, I have clicked on this and I have chosen this. And if you click on the timeline option, there you can see here is the timeline, and my video is already created. And now I can see play video. Here you can see the video is playing. Okay, so one more thing, if you submit this video, then the video will be play. Okay, now you can see there is no option for playing this video. When you will click on the submit, then you need to title here. I am typing the demo here. Now location will be my video, resolution will be 180p. It will be in the pro. Okay, so I don't have the pro version. 30 fps, 60 fps also be pro. MP4 format I'm writing, and click on submit. This video is submitting. When the video will be completed for the submission, then you can see the draft. Okay, then you can see the preview also for this video. It is pending, 20% is ready, and you can see when it will be completed, then you can see, and then you can view the full option. Okay, you can generate any kind of script in the ChatGPT and also Perplexity. There is a AI Perplexity, and also there is an AI Boostify called Boostify. You can generate any kind of information from the Boostify, and also do your AI SEO with Boostify. Okay, your website will be fully under control by the Boostify, because this is a tool who is helping the people who have website to drive the SEO. Okay, so I will add the link in the video description, so you can check it. Okay, so let me check it is completed or not. Okay, I'm back with you after finishing this. Okay, so it is completed. Here you can see the demo is completed. If I click on this, then you can see it will be play. Okay, it is playing. Now you can see the preview. Okay, let me click on it. It is playing. You can see. Can you see that? You can use it for also in other option, like you can change the background. You can change the background with solid color in this option. Okay, so I hope this video is good for you and you are enjoying this video. If you enjoying this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye now.